Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Jr. ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we are up around 2.10% and we still have about 2 more hours left in trading. On the 1 hour chart we do see the 1 hour MACD is turning positive, and at the moment we are overbought on the RSI. On the 4 hour chart we were heading to negative MACD, but we quickly reversed and found steam upward. So on the daily chart, we still remain positive on the daily MACD, and we are nowhere near overbought territory. So we have a good amount of room to head higher. And as you can see, we found some support and support today. So we have a good chance that the trend favors to the upside. So at the moment, if we were to continue on higher, I would see a price resistance around here. Reason why, we see price concentration at this point. So that is at $33. And for support, I would consider the 200-day moving average and the 18-day moving average as support, because you start to see a price consolidation and moving averages act as support. So that is at 29.60 cents. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is about, I would say, 5.8% move up. And if we were to fall back down and hit support, that price movement is about 5% down. On to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to October 12th, 2018 to December 22nd, 2018. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we start above the middle Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded in a downtrend for several days. And after several days, we proceeded to find a lot of support in a short amount of time, and we touched the upper Bollinger Band. So let's mark this as the bottom Bollinger Band, and this will be red. So in this trend right here, we started off above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded in a downtrend right here. And then we hit the bottom Bollinger Band relatively close at this point in time. And then we immediately reverse on higher and touching the upper Bollinger Band right here. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4 points. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are similar. The outcome will also be similar. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where GDXJ, or Gold Miners Jr., went to back in 2018. So you want to look at this. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. Back then, Gold Miners Jr. was up around 4% back then, and here's the line graph that I compared it to, the current trend right here and the 2018 trend. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.